What up, tubes? So, Happy New Year, obviously. You see the title as TMR's New Year's special. So, we are going to blow some stuff up. Obviously, we got Tanner right here. Taurus G2C, not blowing that up, obviously. I like that gun. Some people don't. They just say, oh, it's a Taurus, though. Yeah, but if somebody breaks in your house and this is what you got, and you shoot them with this, did they not get shot? Did it not do its job? Same thing for this Glock. Did it not do its job? My point exactly. These mags here are these ETS see-through mags. This thing's been loaded forever. Let's see if the spring is worn out on it or not. Got some 40 cal over here. Got a 40 on my hip. Got some more 9mm. 308, obviously, for the Thompson Center. And that's what we're going to blow up. It's a old cooler. That's why I got the duct tape. Once I mix this and shoot it at that, it goes kablooey. So it's going to be down yonder. I don't have to worry about yellow jackets at this time of year, so I'm not going to get stung in the kneecap again. However, I do want to say this. Those that I have cut off, entirely out of my life will stay cut off entirely out of my life in 2025. If I sound a little different, it's because I've been getting over a freaking cold that my son gave me. Biological warfare. Wonderful, isn't it? And I know the ones that I've cut off out of my life are going to watch this and be like, I don't care. Well, I'm not going to mention you. I'm not going to give you any fame or fortune. I'm not going to do any of that. All I'm going to say is I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors, and I hope 2025 is a good year for you. You cannot mix this and transport it. You have to mix it when you get to where you're going to use it, and then it's illegal to carry it like this in a vehicle. Yes, I have hearing protection. And here we go. So I've also brought I kind of keep it in my truck, tripod here for my phone. Bought it off Amazon. Like 12 to 15 bucks. It's worth it. Am I going to link it? I might if I can still find it. It's somewhere in my videos. I did a review on it a while back. It works. It does what I needed to do. So, I've already shot that anthill over there. Glock 17. No, I'm not going to shoot the Tannerite because this ain't going to make it go off. But I'm not pointing it at myself. Oh, no, you did that. I want you to see how accurate this laser is on this Olight. Y'all probably can't see that. I can. If there's anything in there, it's not going to be happy. How about that one over there? You see that light now? Yep. Oh, jam, look. Jam. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. Now how about we try it with the light and laser off? Just use iron sights. Ready? It did it again. Jam again. See, I don't like these mags. These fucking ETS mags. Okay. Let's see what happens this time. pulled the first one. Again. All right, how about we go out further? Because you see that anthill right there. Did it again. Look. Yeah, I don't like these mags. All right. It just keeps jamming. Let's go get a Glock mag. I'm not saying these are bad, but I'll stick to OEM. I fell into the hype, so I'm gonna blow that motherfucker up too. Oh yeah, people are gonna laugh that I got an O-light. Go ahead, I don't give a fuck. Now what will we, oh yeah. That big old boy right there. Ready? I don't even know. Let's try it without the laser. I can't hold the phone still. You know, it works. Glock. Stick to the original mags. Ready? Spoke too fucking soon, didn't I? The Glock fanboys are gonna get a kick out of this shit. Another one. Well. Now it's out. These mags have been loaded for years. It's probably the spring, but then again, the Glock fanboys would be like, oh, well, you know. Let's go piss off the gun snobs. Taurus. It's loaded. Put the safety on. I know somebody's gonna make fun of the fact that I have eczema on my hands. That's fine. You're just showing your true colors. I don't care anymore. But hey, let's see what the Taurus does that the Glock can't. Looks like the Taurus won. It did its job. People are gun snobs for no reason. I mean, if somebody broke into my house and I shot them with this, they tried to carjack me or whatever, and I had to defend myself, this will do the job just fine. Never understood that shit. Oh, but then people will say, well, you don't like high point. It's not that I don't like them. It's that they weigh as much as a boat anchor, and if they had been invented during the time that the Titanic was going to hit the iceberg, a high point would have stopped all of that from happening, because all you got to do is drop it to the bottom of the ocean. A fucking high point will stop the Titanic dead in its tracks. It's big, it's bulky, it's cumbersome, it's not the best for concealed carry. This would be, or hell, for that matter, even this on my hip. Which people don't like this because of the trigger. I really don't care. It does the fucking job. It goes bang. We're gonna shoot this in a little bit too. I like my Smith & Wesson SD40 and SD9VE and SD9 2.0 and SD40 2.0. I could care less what people think about it. It's a gun, it does the job. But then again, there are people that say that Glock is the best. This is a Gen 4, Glock 17. I have worn this in a holster, as you can see, plenty of times. And it's still one of my favorite guns, but it's not perfect. And people can knock that O-light right there, work just fine. Does what I needed to do. If you would like for me to have something else, I'll let you know what my P.O. box is, and you can send it there, and I'll review it. I might not use it, but I will review it. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll let you know what my P.O. box is, and we'll go from there. But just be warned, I am not going to give a biased review. I'm going to give 100% an honest review, and if you don't like it, tough shit. So, got the SD40 VE. And I'm gonna go find an anthill. Or an ant mound, as some people call it. What are the ants gonna do? Come out of their little anthill and slay me? I don't think so. Ready? Aft torpedoes fire. I don't like the triggers on these either, but they do work. I don't think them ants are happy. Eat copper and lead, mother. And you noticed, this gun didn't fail not even once. And these mags have been loaded for at least 6 months. Well, it looks like I can't shoot because I don't have any rounds in the chamber. I do now. I think they're pissed off. Who is attacking our house? You know, if I wasn't worried about getting stung, technically they bite and sting at the same time, I would take a dump on them. But yeah, there are probably a few people that want to see that, but not on this channel. But it wouldn't surprise me if somebody actually went through with that. I may have to shoot this one some more. Well, got the Glock back out, and I'm using factory mag. Well, the Extendo black mag is actually a factory mag, but that's factory for the Glock 18, which I don't have because it is illegal without the proper paperwork. That would be the fully automatic. Anyway, we're gonna see if this mag, which I've added this I think it's a +2 round base plate. So it holds 19 rounds, plus 1 in the chamber, makes 20. Let's see if it fares any better. See the light. I did that by myself. No problem there. I wonder if they're pissed off. Yeah, I think they're mad as hell. You know, if you're out somewhere and you don't really have a whole lot of targets, just shoot some anthills. Pisses them off. God damn!